Welcome to the course Blockchain Certification. I'm Bill Brinson, and I'm your instructor for this course. I am a Blockchain Council certified blockchain expert and have been associated with Simplilearn since 2014. I have taught the TOGAF 9 framework 24 times, and I enjoyed the experience thoroughly. Today, blockchain is a buzzword in the IT market. Simply put, blockchain is a decentralized, consistently evolving public ledger of digital records. It is popular because it brings trust to peer-to-peer networks and offers genuine privacy protection. Evolution in blockchain technology has opened up new opportunities for blockchain developers in various domains. Blockchain has the potential to disrupt major industries like the financial services, real estate, healthcare, and many more. Simplilearn helps you demystify this technology. This course is packed with industry-relevant practices of blockchain. I'm excited to be part of the Simplilearn team, and I'm looking forward to helping you gain the skills you need to become a blockchain developer. Welcome. By the end of this course, you'll be able to describe blockchain technology and its key components, explain the Bitcoin transaction process, describe Ethereum architecture and work with its deployment tools, deploy a private Ethereum blockchain, describe and work with Hyperledger projects, deploy a business network using Hyperledger Composer, develop and deploy smart contracts on Ethereum test network, develop a private blockchain using multi-chain, discuss future prospects and real-world use cases of blockchain. In order to derive the full benefit of this course, you need to have an understanding of the following: familiarity with the fundamentals of JavaScript and a fair understanding of Linux and Node.js fundamentals. This course is divided into 8 lessons. Lesson 1, Overview of Blockchain. Lesson 2, Bitcoin Blockchain. Lesson 3, Ethereum. Lesson 4, Deploying Smart Contracts on Ethereum Network. Lesson 5, Hyperledger. Lesson 6, Hyperledger Composer. Lesson 7, Blockchain on Multi-Chain. And finally, Lesson 8, Blockchain Prospects. One of the benefits of taking this course is that you'll have an opportunity to work on projects based on real-world scenarios, such as creating a business network for a finance company in Hyperledger Composer, verifying identity by using smart contracts, creating a business network for healthcare insurance, creating Ethereum smart contracts for movie ratings. Through these projects, you will gain the following skills: coding and Solidity, developing smart contracts, setting up private Ethereum network, developing business networks, setting up private blockchain on multi-chain. Please note that you will have plenty of opportunities to work these skills during the course through demo and practices. To get a Simplilearn course completion certificate, you will need to go through 85% or more of the online self-paced learning videos, or attend all the sessions in one live virtual class. In addition, you need to complete and submit one project from the assessment tab. I'm happy you're taking this journey with us. We're going to cover a lot of exciting topics. After completing this course, you'll have the knowledge and skills required to work anywhere in the enterprise as a blockchain developer. I am Bill Brinson. I welcome you to this course, Blockchain Certification.